Alright, here we are again, back at it. We got the new tire ready. I just wanted to show you quick the date code on these tires. Where's it at? Right here. There's a little oval in here, like 1519 is what this one says. So it's the 15th week of 2019. So it's still, you know, within the first like year or whatever. So that's good. We got a fresh tire from Dennis Kirk. Let's see here. We also want to look at this arrow here, which tells the direction of the tire. So it's going to be going around that way, which is right because we have the sprocket on this side, so it's going to be turning that way. So this is the right side to be up. So just like to be generous with the Dawn spray. Spray everything you want to. The more you spray, the more lubed it's going to be. There's been times where I've done this and I've poked through the tube and I've had to do it a bunch of times. So yeah, I just get it on there and kind of try to push it on as best as I can. And then we use the tools. I usually use the flat side, putting it on. It's easier to slide in there. Hold one side down. Just try to work it in. Hold that one. Get this one. A little bit. I guess it did help a little bit sitting out in the sun. Alright. So we got that on there. We just gotta find, this is the hole here. One thing I did do while it was apart was check the rim strip on there, and that was all good. So if not, you can use a rim strip. Otherwise, I've used electrical tape to kind of tape off where the spokes go, so in case one of them pushes back out, it doesn't puncture the tube. This tube looks like it's in pretty decent shape. It's the one I took out of there, so little spots there, but I'll get rid of those. Those are fine. Looks good. Looks like we're the rubber in the metal. But yeah, put on the opposite side there. And again, we can just be generous with the spray. So it doesn't hurt or anything. Man, it helps a lot. So I'll do that. Do this side. I got the valve stand over here because that's where the hole's at. So I usually try to slide that in there first. You know, work it around. Try not to bend it or pinch it at all. Just kind of let it sit itself inside there. See, so it's kind of in there, but it's not in there all the way. Slide the valve stem around, make sure it's lined up, and we can put this. Try to rest it right on, just inside the rim, all the way around. It works really good having all that soap in there. It just slides right around. So we'll take this guy, hit that valve stem. This is the part I don't like, getting my fingers all wedged up inside there. Stick it in. Get it right through there, or at least get it in there. I'll put the nut in there. Just enough so if it pulls a little bit, it doesn't come out, but you want to leave it loose so it gives it room to like flex and move. So then we'll just lift the tire up a little bit. Spray, spray, spray. All right. We'll spray the outside. All right. Well, as this we did before, kinda pull this up a little bit, get this pushed down. I'll use my weight a little bit, kind of work it around. Makes an easy start out of it. So yeah, I'll hold it with my knees. Get these guys out so we got some room. And again, we'll use the flat side to just catch the corner of the rim. Tuck it around. Don't try to like pry it back, because I found that that's how you pinch the tube. It's like that, like acrobats. Alright. Work it around, hold that. Jump to this side. It really does help putting the thing out in the sun. I'm down in Florida by Eglin Air Force Base, so I get those little flyovers once in a while. Anyways, yeah, we'll just pop it around. It's been a pretty easy one. Just get it in, pop it over, there we go, shabam. So, that's pretty much it. We got it in there. We'll put the valve stem back in. Traitor valve anyway. Tighten it up. I'm still keeping that nut loose. Get that just tight. And we're gonna go over to my little air compressor and fill it up and let it sit for about, I don't know, half hour or so, and check it again. So we'll go over there. All right, so we got this. We'll put some air in the tire and go from there. Get a straight bead this way. So where's the stem? There it is. All right. Put some air in there. Usually go up to like 40 pounds. I only got 20. Alright, we'll fill it up and then we'll see where we're at. A little over 35. I'll go up to like 40. So I usually like to run my rear tires at 35 pounds. So we're over 40, we'll go back down. We're at 40, so we'll let this sit for like 20 minutes and check it again and make sure we're not losing any air. So we'll check it out then.